Netflix not loading on Vizio Smart TV, buffering and app fix. Are you tired of seeing that spinning circle when you just want to watch your favorite show? It is incredibly frustrating when Netflix keeps buffering or refuses to load on your Vizio TV. But do not worry, you can fix this issue yourself at home right now. Just follow these simple steps. If you face any difficulty, please leave a comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. Also, like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more helpful tips. First, check if Netflix is down for everyone. Try opening the app on your phone or computer. If it does not work there, it is a Netflix server issue. You just need to wait a little while. Step 2. Restart the Netflix app. Completely exit the app and return to the home screen. Wait for 10 seconds and then open it again. This often clears minor glitches. Step 3. Perform a power cycle. This is a very powerful fix for smart TVs. Unplug your TV from the wall outlet, wait for exactly 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then select Test Connection. You need at least 5 megabits per second for high-definition streaming. Low speed causes buffering. Step 5. Reboot your router. Unplug your router for 30 seconds and plug it back in. Try using a 5 GHz connection if your router supports it. It is faster than 2.4 GHz. Step 6. Clear the app cache. Go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to System Apps, then select Netflix. Select Clear Cache and then Clear Data. You will need to sign in again after this. Step 7. Update your TV software. Go to Settings, then go to System, then select Check for Updates. Outdated firmware can cause apps to crash. Always keep your Vizio TV up to date. Step 8. Perform a factory reset as a last resort. This will delete all your settings. Go to Settings, then go to Admin and Privacy, then select Reset to Factory Defaults. If your TV is older, consider using an external device like a Roku or Fire Stick for better performance. One of these steps should definitely solve your problem. You are now ready to enjoy your shows. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. See you in the next video.